Okay, so there's a few people been asking how I've been getting on with this boat. Not done a lot on it for quite a while now, so I thought I'd give it another little push and see if we can get it finished. This is where I'm at so far. So this is the insides all filleted along all the seams and the bulkheads, and then I've just painted it with an epoxy primer and then an epoxy top coat as well, which is fuel and oil proof. You can see the shaft log there. So next step is to put the engine in, do a kind of rough fitting of the engine basically, and just roughly align it with the shaft. Purpose of that really is to check if I can fit the deck on as it is, or whether I've got to reshape it slightly. What I'm going to do with the aft section of the boat is actually reshape that as well, because I wasn't too keen on the transom, the shape of it, so I'm going to drop that curvature down a little bit on the deck, and then the two frames in front of it will kind of come down as well. So there's a bit of reshaping work to do there, but first things to get the engine roughly in position, and then we can start putting the deck on. A little shot down the side there, and then you can see the prop shaft hole underneath and the step in the hull as well. Okay, so more updates soon hopefully.